Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to send photos, videos, or documents from your Samsung phone to an iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to transfer files from Samsung to iPhone quickly and easily without installing any extra apps. Before we get started, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step number 1, select the files you want to share. Step number 2, share them using Quick Share. Step number 3, send the sharing link to the iPhone. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, select the files you want to share. First, open the Gallery or My Files app on your Samsung phone. Select the photos, videos, or documents you want to send. Then tap the Share button. Step number 2, share using Quick Share. From the sharing options, tap Quick Share. If prompted, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Next, choose share using QR code or copy link, depending on your Samsung device. Samsung will securely upload your selected files and generate a QR code or a sharing link. Step number 3, send the sharing link. Now simply share the generated link through WhatsApp, Messages, email, or any messaging app. The iPhone user only needs to open the link or scan the QR code to download the shared files. Remember that quick share links expire after a certain period, so it is best for the recipient to download the files as soon as possible. Bonus tip: if you're sharing large videos or many files, connect to a stable Wi Fi network before creating the quick share link. This can make the upload faster and more reliable. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, Apple, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to transfer files from Samsung to iPhone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.